Making us survive this process, even though it was a very difficult one and we never believed it. It caught us by surprise. Our expectations are very high. His Excellency Fubara understands the problem of Rivers people, and he was on the right track because within 2 years in office, he has flagged off, commissioned a lot of projects, and some are running. He's a man that knows the problem of Rivers people. There will be no story because Rivers people are looking up to him. Well, like I will say, even in a family, there will be crisis. At the time we come for a resolution, we have settled our problems. So moving forward is that His Excellency, who knows the problem of Rivers people, who has the organic support from Rivers State, who knows that Rivers supports him, and we not hear any other story other than development and empowering of Rivers citizens. We know that as soon as he resumes office today, that he can start the process. We are happy. That's the most important thing. And let me extend my felicitation to His Excellency the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria for hearkening to the cry of Rivers people, for allowing us go back to the man we all elected. This is a man for the first time in the history of Rivers State that won the 23/23 local government. It has never happened. No governor has done that. Highest they will get is 13 or 14 local governments, but he had 15 and 23 to tell you that the people believes in him. And that's why you can see this is local government people. We came here on our own to celebrate. Celebrations are on even in our various local government because everybody can come here. We are happy. We are happy with His Excellency. We are happy with Rivers State, and we believe that Rivers State will be better again. Even though I will tell you that we have gone back 20 years behind schedule, but no problem. That's what man sees in life. There will be a time you suffer some hurdles, but we have overcome it, and by the grace of God, Rivers will come back and strong again. Thank you so much.
6 months, on the midnight of the expiration of 6 months, he made that proclamation and ended the state of emergency in Rivers State. You can see the faces of Rivers people who are here, how joyous they are, because for the past 6 months, they've not been feeling governance. You know, the governor has a mantra, Rivers people first, and that is what he has tailored in his projects, in his programs, in his activities. So Rivers people feel governance with Sim Fubara, but that was absent for the past 6 months. What I have to say is that the legislative arm of government in Rivers State and the executive arm must work harmoniously together for the development and good governance and well-being of the people. That is the only way we can strive. I also want to use this opportunity to thank the FCT Minister and the Governor of Rivers State for towing that part of peace and sustainable development and growth. We are one Rivers people. There's no division. So there's no need for the political rancor to disrupt governance. The Governor swore an oath to serve and protect the lives and property of Rivers people and provide welfare for them. And that's what he has been doing. I know he's going to go back to all his lofty people-oriented projects, and that is what we want, and that's why we are happy. You can see thousands of Rivers people all over the street, not just in Government House, all over, from the airport, everywhere, you know.
Okay. All right. You know, in the absence of the governor, a lot of people felt like the sole administrator was not at the top of the game, as it has to do with administration. Is there any particular sector or area of focus that you like the governor, you know, to channel his energies to once he comes back to office?
Well, the governor has a clear laid out plan. The governor has his cabinet. There's government. The sole administrator was, like you just said, sole administrator. He was sole. That's why you can find Rivers State, Port Harcourt dirty, insecurities and other things happening here and there. Because he doesn't understand the terrain. And he couldn't do. Look at the protest that took place yesterday on his own personal staffs. So you can see, it's a shame. But we know that in the wisdom of Mr. President and the issues and what he adduced as the reasons why he proclaimed the state of emergency, I can say that was a doctrine of necessity, and it was good for him. We thank him for intervening and also keeping to his words. So we hope that everything will be fine.
Honorable Sonny Nwokekoro, DSSRX, the Action People's Party Chairman, Rivers State.
So much smiles on your face today. 3 weeks ago, I tried getting across to you on the phone. You weren't happy. What is the difference this morning?
Well, the Bible we all practice and believe as Christians have told us that it's time and season for everything. Okay, this is season for happiness. This is season for joy because democracy has returned back to Rivers State.
So, what are your expectations as we await the arrival of the governor of Rivers State in another 1 year and 8 months or thereabouts?
Well, I knowing the governor for who he is, I'm sure he won't be distracted. He's going to hit the ground running. But remember, he has been doing a lot of good job for Rivers people before the interruption of emergency rule. So I have no doubt that he's focused, he's determined, and he knows what he wants to do, what should he do.
What kind of support will you be looking forward to from Rivers people?
It's organic. The support is organic. It has always been organic. It will remain organic. I don't know, with the mammoth crowd I'm seeing here, I don't know if you have taken a look to know if they are not here. But you know, I'm not their representative, so I cannot speak for them. But the important thing is that the crowd you're seeing here is what late Nnamdi Azikiwe would describe as sea of heads. So it's difficult for you to identify who is not here today and who is here today. The important thing is that the support for the governor of Rivers State is organic. Peace has returned to Rivers State, and there is no more clear-cut divide. All of us are now one. You're welcome.
Honorable Philip Okparaji from Eleme.
How excited are you with the expiration of the state of emergency?
Today you can see the happiness of Rivers people, and that is why you can see this crowd have turned out today to welcome our governor. We have turned out to welcome our governor and restoration of democratic institutions in Rivers State. River people are happy. We are happy that our governor is back to continue his good work, his projects in Rivers State. We are very, very happy. I want to thank the president too for the restoration of democracy institution in Rivers State.
So you are thanking the president for not extending because there were reports.
Yes. I'm thanking the president for not extending a day on top of 6 months, and we are back. Rivers people are happy. We have come out to receive our governor. We have come out to express our happiness, our support, our solidarity with the popular elected governor of Rivers State, Fubara.
So what will you be expecting from the governor?
We are expecting his good work. There are projects started, but those projects were abandoned within the 6 months. You find the ring road, you find the Trans-Calabari roads, and other projects. The governor will quickly restore the confidence of Rivers people as we resume today. And that is why we are here to welcome you to Government House.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nathaniel. We met in
Yes, let me get to a number.
An expression of our joy, our delight, and I don't know how to express it, that we are overwhelmed by joy that our governor is back to govern us. It's an expression to tell you how much Rivers people have missed their dear governor, and also that we have high expectations of him. We know how much passionate he is about the development of Rivers State, and he showed that before the suspension came. And it is the expectation that now that the suspension is over, that he will continue the good works that he commenced, and of course take it to a higher level than what he did previously. And the other two is that we know our governor as a peace-loving person, and we have confidence in him that now that he has come back, that all the political stakeholders will come together and work in one accord for the good of Rivers State. Both the House of Assembly, those in the National Assembly, and those who are holding offices at the center will be expecting the governor to continue the good works that he was doing before the suspension. The other expectation is that, as he has told those of us who are Rivers people and those living and doing business here, that there is no amount of sacrifice that is too much for peace. We're expecting to pursue that path of peace that he has always lived for. And also, like I said previously, a message to other stakeholders. They should come and work together with the governor to make this state a better place. We are not maintaining our pride of place in the Committee of States in Nigeria because of political disagreements here and there. So I expect the governor to put that behind him. Of course, we have lost 6 months. We can't regain it, but we trust that our governor would catch up with whatever we have lost in the past 6 months. So I expect him to continue with the good works that he has done, and also to forgive, because there are people who have wronged him in cause of it. And also those he has wronged also should also forgive the governor in the interest of Rivers State. We have one state here to make the best out of that has more opportunities than any other state. But we are behind because we allow politics to take the center stage of us. So let us allow the development of Rivers State to take the center stage of this state. And I want the governor to do that, and every other stakeholder to do that. And I have no doubt that the governor will do that.